Okay guys, so today we'll be making a cake. So the ingredients that we need is cookies. We also need some condensed milk. We need some yogurt. We need a bit of milk, not that much. Okay? So the thing is, so we do a layer with no gaps. We can do as much layers as we want. So no gaps, okay? So this is how it will look. So like this. So as you can see, there's no gaps, like maybe only in the middles, but yeah, it's fine if it's like in the middle only. So right now we are going to get the yogurt, and this is what we are going to do, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second. So you open the yogurt, we get some yogurt, and then we put it down. Then we put it around. Just be careful, or then your cookies will fall down. If you want to make it easier not together, you can just get one at a time. Just put in it and just mix it. It's easy, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. So all the cookies are filled with yogurt. Next step is we get some condensed milk. So we don't need that much condensed milk. We just need to put a little bit. Not that much, okay guys? So we get the condensed milk and we put it a bit everywhere in the layer. Yes. Okay, we can mix it a bit. And yeah. Okay, so we put the condensed milk. Easy. Not too much, as you can see. It's not too much. I don't know if you can see, but it's not too much. It's just a bit of condensed milk all around. So next step, what we do is get some milk. Remember I showed you the small bowl of milk? Yep, so we're going to get it. Let's get it. I put the spoon. Just small, really small, okay? Put some milk so it will not get too hard, these things. Or if it gets too hard, it will be not good. So we get a bit of milk everywhere. So yeah guys. So we put just a bit of milk, even smaller than the condensed milk, okay? So next step is we do the second layer now, okay? So the second layer is the same. I put the cookies again, but this time it's going to be easier because the cookies will not move because they're stick together. And remember, no gaps. Okay guys, so we did the next layer. As you can see, it's just normal, no gaps, just maybe in the middle a bit, and that's it. See? So the next thing is you do the same process again. The yogurt, remember the yogurt is the most, you do it all over the cookies, but this time we're going to put the condensed milk a bit more. So first we do the yogurt, just like always. But remember, this time it's pretty sticky, but still try to be careful, okay guys? Okay guys, so we did it, see? So I made another layer with some yogurt. Now we add some condensed milk. Remember what I said, more than last time, okay? Remember, it's the keyword. More condensed milk after the first layer. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so we put the condensed milk more than last time. So now, just like always, we add the milk. Same amount, just like we did on the last one. Okay, guys? Not too much. Remember, you can do as many layers as you want. Okay guys, so we made some milk, it's not that much. So this is how it looks for right now, the yogurt, the cake. So yeah. So now the third layer. Okay guys? Okay guys, so there it is. Again, the third layer. So I think the cookies will last for another layer and then like a small pyramid if you want to. So right now, just like always the process, yogurt and that stuff, okay? Okay guys, so we put some yogurt, now, good right? Okay, again the same process. We put the same amount of condensed milk as we did in the second layer, just the same amount, not in the first layer, okay? So we get the condensed milk and I put it, right? Oh, and if you want to do it, you can just add any jam, Nutella or anything if you want to. You can do it. It's easy. Okay, so we put some condensed milk. Yep, now just like always, we put the milk, same amount, not bigger or smaller, okay? Okay guys, so we did it. Now another layer, just like always again. Yep, this is going to be for me the last layer. You can do as many layers as you want. It's not my choice for you. So for me, I'm doing 4 layers. You can do a lot of stuff like we did this cake. It's really easy to make it. It's like very nice. It's very yummy. Okay, so we put the 4th layer. We do the same process again, but there's one thing that we should do also. Okay guys, the yogurt, just like always. Okay guys, so I put the yogurt. Now we put the condensed milk. Remember, the same amount as in the third and the second layer, not in the first layer. Okay, now put a bit of milk, just like always. If you're asking why should we put the milk, it's so the cookie won't be that hard. So it'll be hard to eat it. That's what I mean. So now we did this, and now if you have some leftovers, this is what you can do. You can make like anything that you want. So I'm going to make a little pyramid, okay? So see, first I add 2, and now some yogurt, guys. Yep, some yogurt. Okay, so we did the yogurt now. Now, if you want to, it's your idea, it's your choice. So, because it's very small amount of cookies there, you can just put really small amount of condensed milk. Then some milk. And finally, we see, so I'm going to make a little pyramid. Look, guys. See? Ta-da! See? So it's a little pyramid. We do the same thing. Some yogurt on this. Then some condensed milk. Okay, now it's the important part, okay? The important part, so look, it's a pyramid now. Yep, but the thing that we need to do is to make this, to put yogurt around so it will stick. So this is what we do. So look carefully. So we put it, then we do like this. Yep, okay guys? You can also do it with condensed milk, like that, okay guys? Okay guys, so look. Now, you see? We have on the sides a bit of yogurt. Now we can also put condensed milk. It's your choice. So we put some condensed milk, okay guys? It's your choice. A lot of condensed milk, a lot, okay? You can do it also on the sides and that stuff. Okay guys, done. We made the cake. Isn't it good, right? Huh? Isn't it good? So the thing that we're going to do with this cake first, before you eat it, this is a notice. We put it in the fridge at least for 2 hours. Okay guys? Let's go. Okay, so the cake is in the fridge, guys. So you just wait for at least 2 hours and the cake will be ready. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos for food cooking and that stuff. And if you want whatever video you want, I can make it. Just tell me what to do. I can also do gaming videos, okay guys? Like and subscribe.